I'm bringing in some beautiful southern magnolia leaves today. These are the glossy leaves with a really beautiful golden backs. And I am decorating my mantle for a challenge hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. Today's challenge is to decorate your mantle for the Christmas season. So I'm going to bring these greens in and also combine them with some other greens that I've cut down. I'll show you how I put it together. So if you like sharing ideas and want to see more projects like this, think about subscribing. So here is my blank shelf. It's actually not a mantle. This is in my sunroom. I do have a fireplace, but it's just too dark, and so the mantle will not show up. For the purpose of this video, I am decorating this shelf because I think anybody can decorate a shelf and make it look like a mantle design. No matter what room you're in, you don't need a fireplace below. And it's also right below my big screen TV here, and also a speaker. So if you're like me, you're always trying to kind of decorate around the electronics. So I am starting out with 4 branches that I got from the beautiful Adirondack region in upstate New York, and I'm just going to put 4 in the background here as a backdrop. Have a few other pines and some arbor vitae. So next, I'm placing some bark from those birch branches, and I did just do a project where I used this bark to place it on the outside of some containers that I use for fresh greens. So check out in the link below. I'll also place the link to that video. But I love, look at the colors on this. This is just such a nice natural material. Has so many pinks and off-whites. I'm just going to place these around. So next I'm going to add some jeweled fruit that I've had for a while. I think I got these at Michael's 2 years ago, and I think they're going to add some really nice color. And so add 3 of these little candles from the Dollar Tree that I just love because they have the little battery and they add some. And then the last thing I'm going to add are these little fairy lights that come in this little battery pack item, and I'm just gonna place those around the greens. I love using these things because you don't have to worry about plugs, extension cords. Okay, so that is it. This was so easy thanks to our host. I just love bringing fresh greens in. I think they look really fresh for Christmas. These will last several weeks, but I will be misting them. This is just a little body wash container. I fill this with water and give it a little mist, the greens here and there, and they will last several weeks. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Oh, and check out in the description below the link to both Jessica and Antoinette's channel, and also the playlist for this entire challenge. Bye bye, everybody.